Good morning. Good morning, everyone. How y'all doing today? Oh, you know, sometimes life gets so hard, so difficult that you start to not believe in your faith. You start to like, why do I do good and good doesn't happen to me? You know? Hi, Susanna. Good morning. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being the first one here. He is God's son. How are you? Yeah. You know, sometimes in life, it's strangers that God will use to put a smile on your face. I went to the coffee shop. I can't tell the name because I don't want to, anything happen with the person. You never know. But I went to the coffee shop and I ordered a small mango iced tea. And the lady gave me a 32-ounce mango iced tea instead. And she said, I see you walking every day. I know it's hot out there. So I gave you a 32 ounce. Guys, I smiled. I said thank you, but I started crying because she had that heart. She's the manager at the coffee shop. Because I met her previously when I was on YT, and she's like, "Who are you talking to?" And I said, "My friends on YT." And she she came and say hi. Very nice lady, very welcoming. She fits her position as a manager, you know, and customer service. But for a stranger, I don't know this lady. She's African American, and I have to walk by that coffee shop every day. Every day I walk there in the morning and evenings. And that lady, she knew me by me walking by. And she said, "It is hot out there, and I see you walking every day. I gave you a 32-ounce iced tea instead of the small one you ordered." My heart, I literally started crying because only, that's so amazing. That's so amazing. You know? Hi, Master. Good morning. Good morning. Hi, Metro. How you doing, Metro? Woo, Metro. What happened? How you doing? How you doing? Thank you for being here. I was talking about how strangers can be the ones that put a smile on your face, You know, when everything is falling apart, somehow there's a higher power that will intervene and make you hold on because change is coming, right? Because this lady knows me from nowhere. And I ordered a small mango iced tea. And she gave me a huge 32-ounce. Huge. I'm okay. I'm okay. We're feeling the summer weather, and it's not even June 21st yet. We're in the hundreds here. I'm walking to work. Yeah, it's very hot, but God is good. God is good. Hopefully, I'll get healthy by walking. you know? Thank you. Thank you. His name is Rain. This is Rain. And he's a baby. He's only a year old, but he's so huge. He's a husky. He's a baby. His his crown, my mom calls it his crown. The top part, the gray part is finally growing in. We can see it growing in now. The husky. Yeah, he's a husky. Oh yeah, it's hot. It's hot. It's so hot out here. Yeah, but I'm so thankful to this lady for giving me the 32-ounce iced tea. Oh, God is good. God is good. That's so funny. I was calling all my student loans to pay my student loans. And I was like, oh my God, when I'm done paying these student loans this morning, how am I going to survive next week? And then this lady gave me a mango iced tea. Isn't God good? Yeah, yeah. Oh, he's very protective too. But he's hyper, Metro. He's so hyper, I don't know what to say about him. He's too hyper. They tried training him, and the trainer brought him back and says he has anxiety issues. Yes, it's very refreshing. It's mango iced tea. It's so good, and I'm so thankful. I am so thankful. Yeah, he went to like two different training, and then he goes to a dog sitter every day, and they're trying to train him, and it's not working. It is not working, Metro. He just belongs in the cold, in the woods, those kind of dog, and they don't want to be trained. He's like a wolf. Every trainer said, oh, give him to me for 3 weeks. I'll get him in order. Rain, Rain is like, and you think you're better than the other one? Let's see. No, he cannot be trained. That training is not working. It is not working at all. Hi, Sanjay. Good morning. Good morning. How you doing? How you doing? I'm out here. It's hot out here. It's so hot, guys. It's it's 7 in the morning and I'm sweating. Oh Jesus, it's hot. Whew. It's hot. It's so hot out here, guys. So hot. Yeah, that's Rain. Rain is spoiled. He got a new bed. I need to show you guys his new bed. He got a new bed and he's showing off since he got the new bed. Telling you. Oh, Sarah. Hey, hold it for Thank you. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. It's okay. Thank you. Ooh, good morning. It's hot out there already. Oh my goodness. I don't know what it's going to be today. Whew. Oh yeah, he gets a lot of that because he has a wonderful dog sitter that he goes to. He even spends weekends with them. He gets a lot of attention and they'll make videos with him. But because they're in the videos, my sister doesn't give me those videos because the dog sitters are in the videos. But he goes to a doggy daycare every day. He has lots of attention, Metro. He goes to doggy daycare and he and he's spoiled by his mama. Yes. Oh my god. Yes, the I just try my best. I usually leave an hour earlier so it's cooler. But today I just took my regular bus and I realized it's warmer, so I really need to take the earlier one. But it's not for long. I am planning to resign and move to be with my mom. Um, just waiting on see. I'm trying to see if I can get a job before I relocate. Yeah, before I relocate, but I'm definitely won't be here for too long. I've made up my mind. This is it, right, Rain? This is it. Yeah. So hopefully I can survive the summer. I'm planning to relocate around my birthday, a birthday gift to me. I always do something for my birthday for myself, and it might be resigning and trying to go somewhere else. Yeah. I like the heat. The heat is good for your bones, but not when you're walking. Not when you're walking. Mm-mm. That lady was so nice, and she's from the state I'm from. Because I met her, I told you, and she told me my first job was at what 16 years old was at a coffee shop. So she works at that coffee shop now, and I told her this is my first job. Yeah. And that coffee shop paid well back then. That coffee shop in the 90s paying they were paying the minimum wage now in the 90s. So I'm sure she's making good money as a manager because they paid back then minimum wage now is what they paid in the 90s. A coffee shop. Coffee shop pays well. They're called barista. Yeah, he goes to doggy daycare. Every morning before his mom goes to work, which is my sister, she drops him off at the doggy daycare. Thank you. How you been? How is your state doing? Yeah, they go to doggy daycare because he is not, you can't leave him at home. Huskies, you can't leave them at home. They will rip your entire house apart. They will rip even the sofa. You will need a new sofa, new carpet, new everything. Yes, yes, yes. Hi, little chef. I was in your house last night, right? Yeah, or a couple hours ago. Like 3 o'clock in the morning, I was in your house. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. I need to do that for my health, is to resign. So I'm gonna do that for my health. Dwayna, morning, morning, Dwayna. How you doing? Are you off today? Thank you so much for coming in. I just did a little pop-up live. I haven't seen you guys in a while. And I said, let me go live. You guys are the ones that put a smile on my face and cheer me up. Yeah. I was telling them how I went to order. Oh, it's your day off. I thought so. I went to order a small mango iced tea, and the lady gave me the super large size. The super large size. And she said, I see you walking every day past here. I know you need this large iced tea. And she said, it's on me. Hmm. She's the manager of the coffee shop. Some people can be the nicest people. You don't know, I literally just got off the phone with my student loans. And as soon as I hung up the phone, I said, do I need anything in the grocery store today? And I said, no. I just keep spending money here. I don't need anything. And I walked out and I said, let me go get an iced tea. Literally hang up the phone, and I was like, oh my God, when I finish pay these student loans this week, I'm broke next week. And there it go. The lady gave me a large iced tea. Isn't that nice? Super large, the big size. Yeah, that was very nice. Marie, good morning. Oh, Marie, I love it. I love your shows. I hope you continue doing your shows. Don't give up. Don't be distracted. You are showing your culture. I love it. Guys, please check out Marie Ellis. She's from the Maroon Town in Jamaica. So check her out. She's originally a Maroon. She was born there, so she shows their culture. So you will see them dancing their songs and so on. Oh, I love it, Marie. I love it. Thank you. Oh, you put him in a kennel? He was- oh my goodness. Yeah, you can. These dogs, he needs a babysitter. A lot of time, my sister gets invited to, birthday parties, family gathering, and she doesn't go because she has to babysit the dog. And sometimes her dog sitter is not available. Rain, you see his eyes? One is blue and one is gray. Yeah, Rain has to be babysit every day. Thank you, Duena. Thank you. How you doing? How is Jamaica? The amazing M&G. Good morning. How you doing? Yes. I just love amazing M&G. Guys, please visit each other. You have a blue handle. While you're here, just go over to each other house. Go over to Metro's house. Go over to Dueno. Leave a comment. While you're here, you have that blue handle. Okay, so Marie said the Maroon conference is next weekend, so make sure you guys watch Marie, okay? Yes, the amazing MNG. You can put a good spirit on anyone, anytime. And I watch you. You don't know. You make me smile. You do put a smile on people's face. So continue doing what you're doing. I really appreciate, that upliftment, that smile. Ooh, nice, nice. Oh, I'll be there. I love your shows. I do. And I hope you continue to do it, Marie. I do. Yes, visit each other. Go visit Amazing M&G, Little Chef. Go and visit each other. I gave you that blue handle to visit each other. Quick, go and do it. I have 40 more minutes here. Go and visit each other. It's the time to visit each other. Yeah, no, I haven't seen any of these names in a long time. Thank you, YT, for waking everybody up this morning. Blessings, blessings. It's just a good morning. I only can pray it will be that way at work. That's all I can do is pray. What I do when I'm there, I just bite my lips the entire time. I just bite my lips. I do my work at my desk. If I have to get up, I get up and I go straight back to my desk. Yeah, I'm trying to just avoid the bullies, the gossiping, the toxic environment. Yeah. But I think it's time. It's time for me to definitely go and relocate. So this for my birthday, I will be relocating again. I'm a 5 year person. I'm convinced God does this every 5 years to me, where I gotta make changes in my life every 5 years. Yeah. Yes, 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 yes. Sanjay is here, guys. Sanjay has a huge following, and what I like about Sanjay, let me tell you what I like about Sanjay. Even though he has a huge following and he has a lot of members, he shows up to your life. He's going to show up to your life. There's a lot of people I follow that has big following, and I don't see them at my life. I don't see them at you. If you see them once in 3 months. So Sanjay, you never forget where you're coming from, and Sanjay has a huge following. And when he tells his supporters to support you, they come over. They come over. And he doesn't only send his supporters over, he comes over. That's the difference. He's not just sitting there and saying, go visit Two Princess, go visit Metro Sonic, go visit Dueno, Amazing MG. He's not doing that. He's sending them, and then he comes. You will see him comment. You will see him. And his comments are usually nice. I read his comments. He really commends them. I like his comments. I don't know where he gets it from, but I love his comments. So definitely support Sanjay. You will see if you're streaming, you will see him. I don't know when he sleeps because I'm sleeping and Sanjay is in the comment. When I wake up, Sanjay is in the comment. Like, yes, yes. So support each other. Support each other. Continue. Yes. Marie Ellis says that she's having the Maroon conference this weekend, so she'll be streaming all weekend. Make sure you check her out because it's very good to see the Maroons. Yes. Yes, definitely. Ah, little chef, great connection. You will smile when you listen to Amazing M&G. Amazing M&G, little chef connected with you. Awesome. Yes. Yes. Metrosonic says, I don't expect everything, but I appreciate what's coming. Pray for what we all have, some don't have. Patience. Having patience is important. Correct. Yes. Yes. Make sure to visit Metro. Metro will show up at your live. He will visit you once he's online. So definitely show up. And his contents are not usually long. Um he will just do short contents most of the time. So definitely you want to check him out. Spread love, guys. Spread love. Definitely spread love. Say hi to Rain. You see Rain eyes? One is blue and one is gray. Yes, yes, yes. And Sanjay does keep your chats active. He's a pro. He's a pro. I don't know how he does it. Like when he's live, he does it like a racehorse thing. Like again, this is me watching him. He does it so fast. I went to Little Chef House around 3 this morning, guys. Go check Little Chef out. Yes, connect with each other. Spread some love. Yes, please. You know how long Dwayne been working to get his double H, guys? If you can just play one of his games. He's a gamer out of Jamaica. Yes. Whenever you see the 876, they're usually out of Jamaica. So um, go over and try to give him some double H, guys. Go over to Dueno 876. Give him some double H. Give him some double H love. They always clean this bus stop where I'm at, and they never clean the one down there. I'm going to call them. You know, I call them. I call them all the time. I'm going to call them and said, you know, there's a bus stop by the hospital. That's really a hospital bus stop. You should keep it clean. Yeah. Yep. That's what you pay your taxes for. Mm-hmm. Rain, you like it? Yeah, I like his name too. But Metro, I'm going to tell you a secret. You know I'm afraid of Rain. Why you think Rain has to go to? You see, whenever I'm at my sister's place, Rain has to go to the dog sitter because I'm afraid of Rain. I love Rain. As you see, I'm always showing Rain pictures, and I love his videos. Oh, no problem, Marie. I'm going to work in 32 minutes, so I definitely understand. Thank you so much for keeping the live open. I appreciate that love. Yeah, but I'm afraid of Rain. Whenever I'm at my sister's house, she has to drop Rain off and pick him up when I'm leaving. He has to spend the entire weekend at the dog sitter. No, I'm afraid of Rain. But well, you see, once I was in my mom room and Rain, my sister left her door open or something, and Rain came in and he jumped on the bed. I'm like, oh my God. I was screaming, running out of the house. I'm like, just get him, get him, get him. I am afraid of Rain. No, he's like a wolf. Look at the ears. Look at his ears. And he's a baby. You know how big he's gonna be? Because this is a baby. He's only a year old now. He's gonna be big. You see those ears? The crown is growing in. Everything has to be balanced and set boundaries. You can take care of anyone if you cannot take care. Ooh, that's so true, Metro. So true, Metro. You hear what Metro Sonic said? Everything have to be balanced and setting boundaries. You cannot take care of anyone if you cannot take care of yourself. Amen. So true, Metro. So true. You got to take care of yourself first. And I tend to not do that. I usually look out for everyone because I don't mind doing that. It's just my nature. But I realize the older I get that it's okay to take care of everyone, but make sure you're happy. Make sure you're okay first. So I'm learning that I can't, there's no reward in taking care of everyone and you're unhappy and you're sad. You got to put yourself first. And I'm learning that, and sad case, I'm learning that at 50 years old. But it's never too late. I'm learning that I need to be happy first. I need to have everything that I'm wishing for everybody else. It's okay for me to be well. Yeah. Yes, yes. So definitely. Amazing MG said happiness and love to you and everyone in the chat. Thank you. What fruit do you have today, Amazing MG? What fruit do you have over there? Are you getting coconuts? Yeah. Oh, yes, yes. Rain. Oh, my sister once had Pomeranians. This is her first huge dog, and it's a husky. But she had 7 Pomeranians before. Those I wasn't afraid of. I liked them. I'm just not a crazy, crazy person that does that, breaks all the boundaries for for pets, but I love them. I loved her 7 Pomeranians, and I ended up with 4 because I was in Georgia, and the home I was, had a big yard, so I took 4 of my sister's dog. And let me tell you something. The mom usually run away. Her name was Girlfriend. Girlfriend always run away, and Foxy, her son, would tell on her. The minute Girlfriend goes through the gate, Foxy comes to my room window and scrape the window and, huh, come, come, come. Yes, and Foxy would tell me Girlfriend left. And one day I was sleeping tired, it was hot, and Foxy kept knocking my window, and I kept ignoring him, and unfortunately Girlfriend ran away. And that was the last time we saw Girlfriend. But dogs are smart, because Foxy could be a service dog. He Once I left the stove on and we went walking. Foxy and I went walking, and Foxy wouldn't walk. He kept telling me to turn back. Every time I'm walking, he kept telling me to turn back. And I said, okay, forget it. I'm not going to walk because you just jumping on me and won't let me walk. When we went back home, the stove was on. Yep, the stove was on. He died. All of them died. They aged. They were 17 years old. Yes. Oh, amazing M&G. You're close by Marie Ellis, where the Maroon Conference is gonna be. That's where Marie is, Portland. Yeah, that's where Marie is too. The big heart and soul always triumphed while putting God first, ourselves, then each other, and then later financials, and put a roof over us, plus communication and planning triumphs. Yes, this is true. So not many have the same abilities, but at least we treat everyone equally, acknowledge and educate each other, that provides happiness and kindness as we develop growth. That's right. That's right. You are right. You're definitely right. I thank you all for being here this morning. I appreciate it. Have you guys heard what happened with the YouTubers in Las Vegas? Have you guys heard what happened with 2 YouTubers? One is a husband and wife, and the other one. Have you guys heard what happened to the YouTubers in Las Vegas? You do the same. Well, you do the same, amazing M&G, but that's the reason I'm being careful now. When I go live, I'm gonna put a photo up so no one see me live. It's to secure your privacy. Did you hear what happened to the YouTubers One was live, husband and wife was live, and they're talking on a strip. It's it's a street where all the casinos are and all the hotels are, and they put on shows. Each hotel has a show for you to see, some form of attraction. Well, the YouTuber was live, guys. YouTuber was live showing the water show. There's a water fountain show. And while they were live, another YouTuber that doesn't like them, they have a very heated live in the past, and he went up to the guy on live and took both the husband and wife out right there live. Just happened. Just happened this weekend. And it's sad because, and I go to some people live and I'm hearing all these complaints. Oh, nobody support me, and I'm not going to anybody's house that don't support me and stuff. These things cause feud. Don't focus on nobody supporting you, because you don't know if that person is watching you from work and they can't comment. You don't know what is happening. Don't accuse people. You don't know if your live showed up in that person's feed. Don't accuse people of not being supported. Just be yourself. The right person will find you. The right support will be there for you. And these feuds leads up to the husband and wife is no longer here. This happened on live, guys, in Las Vegas. Let me tell you what about Vegas. Las Vegas is a place where it's a tourist attraction. A lot of people, when they turn 21, this is the place to be, for vacation. So there's a competition for YouTubers who go live in Las Vegas and show all the attractions and all the concerts. So one of the YouTuber said he is the king of Vegas, and no one is allowed to go live here on the strip, and no one is, he wants to control Vegas lives on YouTube. Well, the other guy said, no, you're not the king, and I'm going to record when I want to. This is a public road. I can do that. Because he kept provoking the king, this is what the outcome is. He kept they call it cyberbullying, I don't know, when you're beefing. So they were beefing, like going back and forth, picking on each other. It's called beefing, picking on each other. So they were picking on each other. One was joking about it and laughing. The African American guy, he kept laughing and he thought it was fun, and he was getting views and he was getting famous by the beef and stuff. He thought it was cool and funny. Guys, the Hispanic guy didn't take it for a joke. He was more like he's from California originally, and he was more like a um, gang type. And he was like, oh, you think it's funny because the guy's, picking on him on the, just to get views, he's doing it. The guy drove around in his car. I'm looking for my best friend. I'm looking for my best friend. Guys, he's recording live that he's looking for his best friend. And how you gonna come in my city and you don't let me know? Oh, where are you now? Let me pull up. That's what he's saying. Guys, he pulled up right beside the husband and wife and took them out. They're no longer with us. This is all over YouTube. Mm-hmm. So I thought these things only happen on TikTok. I thought it's only TikTok beefing going and it's in Jamaica only, and we're losing lives in Jamaica because of TikTok. Oops. Nope. I had no idea these things happen on YouTube. I did not know. So the husband and wife is no longer with us, guys. This couple is in their 40s. Metrosonic says it was good to see everyone here, and I hope you all have a blessed and safe day. Yeah. Can you believe that, guys? They are no longer with us. I think the African American guy thought it was funny and he kept picking on the guy. He kept, like teasing him. But people, like at work, people talk about me every minute because I don't know what it is about me. They pick on me, but I don't react. I bite my lips and I hold my head down and allow them to bully and stuff because I know I watch these stories on TV where co-workers take another person's life or they try to poison you or something. I don't even put food in the fridge at work. I don't put food in the fridge. I don't want I'm very careful because I watch these things. Hey River Girl, how you doing? How you doing, River Girl? I watch these things. I hold my head down when they're doing all that bullying and stuff because I don't know. These people will come to your home, you know. Yeah, that guy he really was teasing him, like provoking the other guy and his wife. He would say his wife doesn't have a good shape and so on. And the Hispanic guy took it serious. He didn't find it funny. The jokes went to where he went and took both. The, can you imagine? The wife and the husband is standing there live, and they just see the guy came up and just live on YouTube last weekend. Yep, yep. And you know how many times my children tell me to go and that I will have so much views and I will have so much subscribers if I go and show all the Vegas concerts and attractions. I never went. God knows why I never went because they said that guy that did it, he said he's the king and no one is allowed. He said no one is allowed to go live on the street. Mm-mm. Guys, it's serious out there. Be safe. That's why I have rain. This is rain picture up. I'm not showing where I am anymore live. Mm-mm. Nope. You're going to be seeing pictures. You're going to be seeing pictures. I'm afraid now. Mm-mm. These people crazy. Mental illness is real. Yeah. Have you guys heard about it? Comment and let me know if you heard about it. The husband and wife losing their lives. Husband and wife losing their lives live. Another YouTuber was upset with them. Yeah, guys, support each other. When you go to someone live, just be kind. If someone is a troll, ignore them. You can block them, you can delete them. Oh, you there, Marie? Yes. Can you imagine that happened live, Marie? Live. I thought it's only in Jamaica that is happening with the TikTokers. I didn't know these things happen everywhere. Also, yeah, I thought that only happened with the TikTokers in Jamaica. I, the, can you imagine? I'm sitting here and talking, and the other YouTuber just come up and go. Pew, 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 pew. Yeah, so I'm like, wow, them people serious. Mental illness is real. Don't argue with anyone. You are going to be there, and you're going. There are people out there that's not going to like you. Be prepared. There are people that are mentally ill. They will pick on you. They will bully you, but it takes two to tango. Just get out of their way. That's what I do at work. When they're trying to bully me and trying to, I just, I cry at times, but I don't respond to them. Don't respond to negative comments. Delete it. If you don't like it, delete it. Or you can leave it there. At least someone else would know that person is very bad. So don't don't give them moderator if they see their comment. So just be careful, be smart in what you're doing. Be smart. Don't respond to the trolls. Don't respond to negative behaviors. And if they and someone is beefing, they call it picking on you, you block them from your channel. You can block people on YouTube. You can block people on YouTube. Okay? Yes. Yeah, it never happened before. It never happened before, Marie. I am so shocked. It's right here in my neighborhood, my neck of the woods. I cannot believe it happened. It's big, big on YouTube. Can you imagine? And it's a husband and wife was celebrating their birthday and anniversary and everything in one. And they're on live and they're like, hey guys, they're from Phoenix, Arizona. And they went to Vegas and they're like, hey guys, I'm here in Vegas. But they're in Vegas live, where the same place where they pick on the guy. But they took it for a joke. They were getting views, they were getting super chats because of the beefing. They were getting lots of donations. So they kept beefing and kept picking on the guy. Like, oh, you think you're the king of Vegas? You're not. You're a self-claimed king. And they kept talking about him. And can you imagine? First, the wife saw him taking out the husband, and then she's like, "Oh my God!" with the live camera. "Oh my God! Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?" And then he just turned to her. Oh my goodness, that's some serious stuff, guys. I thought that only happened on TikTok, because that's the reason I didn't go over to TikTok, because I see the kind of people in Jamaica and the people that's getting taken out and so on. I was like, that's not for me. I'm not going over there. But no, so them bigger than me. No, I'm afraid. No, I am so afraid. I'm like, oh my God, oh my God. Let me see what the lip gloss here say now. If you know, I like lip gloss. I like lip gloss, but I always forget them. Yes, Marie. I was in shock for two days in a row. Like, this can't be real. And I kept searching on 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 YouTube to see if this is really real. And the more I search, the more I hear about it. I'm like, it's real. I This is where people, tourists are. A lot of people there. A lot of people. I have even did a show, one of the water show before on my channel. My cousins were visiting and they were staying right out there, and I went and I did a show there, right there in public. I think it was 10:30 p.m. Mm-mm. Yeah, me too. I think people like us are not like the TikTok and TikTokers, and then now they're trying to bring it over here. That kind of attitude. That guy, he should have stayed over TikTok. He just mess up our happiness. He just messed up our happiness. That's what he did. Mess up our happiness. Yeah, I know. A lot of people probably don't hear about it, but it's real. It happened. hmm Happened this weekend. Can't imagine. And they have children. They have children. And the daughter even wrote something. Can you imagine? Your mother and father. Wow. Mother and father gone one time. Yeah. I'm gonna face my bully them right now too. I face my bully them too. I face my bullies, y'all. Let me get my carrot juice out the fridge. I have my carrot juice and I got my mango tea. Everything you do like this, I drink this every day. It's carrot juice, but I mix it with beetroot. I put the beetroot in there, but even the carrot juice have sugar. You gotta watch everything. The mango has sugar. So you gotta watch it still. Yeah. Yeah, Slasher is here. Oh Lord. Yeah. Yeah, guys, so be safe, be smart when you're live. YouTube gave you the opportunity to use photos. You can use photos and no one know where you are. If you're doing certain shows, you can make videos and post them. Stuff like that. You can make videos and post them and go live, you know, where it's safe in public and there's no craziness around you. Yeah, be safe and smart. Yeah, but that's what happened. So I thought I would share it with you guys. That guy is obviously mentally ill. He had his arraignment a couple of days ago, and he said it's self-defense. He drove around and went live saying, I'm looking for my best friend. I heard my favorite friends are in Vegas and you don't come and look for me. And he kept going like this. What's up? What's up with that? And yeah. So he claimed it's self-defense. It's not. That's not self-defense. You looking for someone you're afraid of? No. If anything, what he should have done is report the guy for cyberbullying and say, he's picking on me and so on. But, oh, yeah, that's how it is in the workplace. Marie, I suffered. I suffered at this job. I aged so fast because of this job. But the time is near. The time is near where I'm going to call it a day. Yeah. Yeah. When I leave, I will really express how I felt, my experience. And I really wish I could be part of the change where I could be a part of the petition of making job places more responsible for toxic environment, for bullying because it causes mental stress and heart pain and something it should not be ignored. Yeah. Yeah. Cooking with more. Good morning. How you doing? Good to see you. Thank you so much for being here. You're appreciated. Thank you. Cooking with Maud. Yeah. Massive layoffs. Celebrities going broke. Oh Lord. You hear? Massive layoffs. Celebrities going broke. It was it is. I am not gonna be in any fear. Sure, I rather them lay me off so I can get unemployment than this stress. Than this stress, this bullying. The bullying is horrible, man. Good morning, cooking with Maud. Yeah, we were here talking about the YouTubers. I don't know if you heard what happened in Las Vegas, USA, but another YouTuber, two YouTubers weren't getting along. They were going back and forth talking about each other, and they were just trying to overcome the next one and get their supporters. So they were, what do you call it? Picking on each other, beefing. They call it cyberbullying. They were just getting back at each other because they're getting their subscribers. And a husband and wife, they're called Sin City because Las Vegas is called Sin City. So they're the Sin City YouTubers. So they came to Finney is from Arizona. He went to Vegas on vacation with his wife and he went live. He was showing all the attractions in Las Vegas, which there's a lot. He was showing all the attractions, and while he was live, Sin City. Bye, Marie. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for all the love. And while he was live with his wife, Sin City, YouTuber, he said he's the king of Vegas YouTubers. He went live and took the husband and wife life out, all because of YouTube beefing. hmm Can you believe that? They were just picking on each other, picking on each other. Like, Finney would say, oh, his wife doesn't have a butt. His wife is shaped funny. Is, um, oh, I'm not going to report him anymore because this is all he has in his life. All he has is YouTube. He doesn't have any friends. Nobody likes him. So he kept picking. Fitzroy Philip, morning, morning, good morning. He kept picking on him. And he just showed up one day while they live and say, Husband and wife gone, leave their kids. It's serious, guys. Be safe. I didn't know those things happen on YouTube. Just this weekend. Just this weekend. He just had his arraignment 2 days ago. Just happened this weekend. It's on YouTube. Search it. hmm Just this weekend, cooking with Maud. hmm I'm okay, Fitzroy. I'm okay. Thank you so much for asking. Thank you so much for being here. But you came to the end of the live, so go and watch one of my videos and support me because I'm going to end the live, guys. I got to go to work. I only came here for an hour. 1 hour. I did an hour. Yeah. Okay, Fitzroy, I haven't seen you in a while. Watch one of my videos. We keep missing each other, I know. Sorry, Fitzroy. Life is busy life. We just life in Fitzroy, life in. they they have they have come across each other on the strip. It's a street where they have music and entertainment. They're YouTubers, so they both go there to do YouTubing. But the the one that did this, he doesn't want anybody else to YouTube on that street. It's a public street. So he always tell them they can't YouTube there. Well, they said he can't stop them. He can't stop them from YouTubing in a public place. Well, he did. He took both of them. They're no longer here. That's how they know each other, just coming across each other YouTubing. Yeah, go look it up. Fitzroy, watch one of my videos. Sorry, I got to go, and I will catch up with you later. Life been very stressful, Fitzroy. Yeah, when I when the stress is over, I'll have more time. Yes, yes. But I'm leaving it alive now. Thank you. Be blessed. Be safe. Be smart in what you're doing. When there's a troll, don't respond. Delete or ignore. Delete or ignore. There are going to be people that do not like you in this world. It's not your job to focus on that. Your job is to focus on who likes you, not who doesn't like you. Thank you. Be blessed. Have a wonderful day.